Come and join me as we explore the wonders of Bohol together, shall we?
Feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
Good morning, friends! This is my outfit for today and kakain lang kami ng breakfast sa baba. Our itinerary for today is we'll be going sa South Palms Resort. We are done eating our breakfast. Hi, Ma. Baba na ulit kami kasi we will be going sa South Palms. Mainit dyan ang ketchup. Oo.
Hindi pala yung ulit dyan ang mainit naman.
Sige, papaniwalaan kita.
Pulanggi. Pausog dyan pa.
Tired of niggas not doing it right. Rest of the nights to the rest of your life. I know you heard me, I ain't gon' say it twice. Too much talking on my line. I know the game go, this I can't deny. So fuck is you playing for? Cause you know that I ain't
here, guys! Sobrang ganda dito. Yan. Ganda here. We have farm tour mamaya at 11 a.m. But for now, we will be just enjoying the beach.
You wanna go like me, fucking with me dangerously. Bet you want a piece of me. Right now I'm living free. Music sending checks to me. Even haters check on me. Think you want this good, baby, I'm the one for you. Are you feeling good, show you what's in line for you. Giving you that good, all chakras align for you. Sending me that good, my life's my design, oh yeah.
Lunch, everyone.
You give me mommy.
desperate to feel wanted. Gave too much to people that left me disregarded. Used to be easier to give than to take. Used to think everyone would treat me the same. But now I'm coming.
Guide din lang po yung tour. May mag-a-assist lang na farmer every area. You can also take a photo of the map as you can.
Okay. Thank you. So you can take a picture of the map. Guys.
We're here, guys.
Dun tayo. Papasok na. Guys, you know what? We are the only...
I have so much question, but my nose is...
Guys, di namin alam kung nasa Pinas pa ba kami or nasa Korea.
I want first ride.
Yeah, me too. But look at my naman suot.
It's okay, God.
So here's the farm. Really? Kuya, nakakatakot. Hindi po sila nang ano? Ay, sige po. Ayun.
Waking up to the sun when I'm out again. I didn't let it take me when the pieces fell out of place. Unlock the giants, I'm too young for dying. I fight with defiance, all defeated when I'm flying, flying. Fitting when I'm flying, flying. Someday never comes, road trips and shotguns.
Busog na sila. Come on, eat. Ano yan? Ako na lang kakain.
Of place. Unlock the giants, I'm too young for dying. I fight with defiance, all defeated when I'm flying, flying. Fitting when I'm flying, flying. Someday never comes, road trips and shotguns. Sunshine on my skin, smile is kicking in. Vibes are in the air, jumping everywhere. Endless nights, 'cause summer's on my mind.
Guys, so far nakaka-enjoy naman siya. We rode a horse and then nag-feed kami ng mga animals. Yan. Galing. Init nga lang, Diyos ko.
Ayaw na! Sophia!
Ate. Morning, guys. Gusto ko yan, Daddy. I want that one. Ang cute nito, guys. Papabili ko to. Lagayan ko ng phone. Ah, sige ko. Pili ka. Ayan. Nag-shop pa kami for souvenirs kasi wala pa kami masyadong nabibili. Souvenirs and pasalubong. We're here, guys. We're supposed to visit this one. Wait. Ayan. Pero close. We are back. Grabe yung umuulan, guys. Look, it's raining. Pinakit na lang namin yung food here. This is our breakfast for today. Yun yung dalawa, guys. Hello, friends! This is my outfit for today. And uuwi na kami. Our flight is later pa naman, 1 p.m. from Tagbilaran to Manila. And then Manila to Daraga is 4 p.m. pa naman. So, yeah. Until our next travel. Goodbye, Casa Niño.
I'm scared of showing up. I'll miss the regular weekends. Don't tell me way too much. I never know if you mean it. Can't seem to get involved. I'll leave without any reason. I don't expect your calls.
What the hell, man?
For the support. Bakit ka naman sinuport?
Thank you. See you soon.
Bye po. Thank you po. Bye po.
I never know if you mean it. Can't seem to get involved. I'll leave without any reason. I don't expect your calls. Won't even wait till...
We are here at the airport, guys. We are now boarding, guys.
Cause we're tough and wanted. Gave too much to people that left me disregarded. Used to be easier to give than to take. Used to think everyone would treat me the same. But now I'm calling back my
Guys, late na kami for our connecting flight. Oh my God. Nasa Terminal 3 pa kami, guys. And yung connecting flight namin is at Terminal 4 pa. Tayo pa kami ng baggage namin. Wala na, di na talaga kami guys aabot sa flight namin. Guys, naiwan na po kami ng aming next flight. Yan, late kasi talaga yung train namin kanina na galing Bohol to Manila. So, naiwan kami guys. We'll be staying here for tonight. Si Daddy, ang daming gagawin. Ayan. Tomorrow, our flight is at 3 a.m. daw.